and welcome to today's video. Guys, I am so excited to make this video today. This is probably one of the most excited I have been to make a video in quite a while. And the reason I am so excited is because I just learned a necklace hack that just totally blew my mind. Like, I am 53 years old and I'm like, I do not understand how I do not know this necklace trick. It is so simple and so genius. My mind is blown. But so what I thought I would do, we are going to quickly, I have my Mint Mongoose for the month of July. And since there's two necklaces that come in here with a pair of earrings, I thought this would be a perfect unboxing to show you this necklace hack that I found out about. So we are going, I've already unwrapped everything because I'm super excited. I want to get straight into this. But for those quickly who don't know what Mint Mongoose is, I will leave all the information in the description box down below about Mint Mongoose in case you're interested in signing up. But with that said, guys, let's go ahead and let's get into this bag. So this month's bag, she always has a theme. She is a woman-owned business. She's a mama of 3, and every month she has a theme. And this month's theme is that she always puts a little postcard in here, and this month's theme is about balance. And she designed her jewelry pieces over this. Okay, so guys, I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and we're gonna get into the jewelry pieces. Now the first jewelry piece I already have on, but I'm gonna insert a picture right next to me because the earrings are super small this month, guys. I usually love her earrings, but guys, she really went small this month. But they are in the theme. They have this little cross right here like that, and that's where she got the theme from, but they're so small. I just wish she would have made them bigger. Okay, and then the second item out is a necklace, and I choose silver for my color. Now there was like 6 months where I chose rose gold, but I have switched over to silver. So here is the first necklace that she gave us. One's usually shorter and one's longer, and this is just a simple silver chain with 3 larger little balls on it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this on. Okay, there's the first necklace on, and then the second necklace in the set looks like this. And as you can see, it has that same bar effect as the earrings do. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this one on so we can get directly into the ingenious necklace trick that I learned. So let me go ahead and put this on. Okay guys, so this is the set for the month. I like the theme she was going with. The first necklace is simple. The second necklace is simple. I don't like the earrings though. She should have upgraded on size a little bit. I can hardly see them at all. But okay, this is the exciting part of the video, guys. Are you ready? This is going to so blow your mind. Okay, what you do is you keep both necklaces on and you switch them around to where the clasp is in the front so you can see what you're doing. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and then here is where it gets good. What you do is you unclasp both necklaces. Okay, there's the first necklace. There's the second necklace. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to take the clasp of the one necklace and you want to attach it to the little holes in this other necklace, in necklace number 2. And then you do the same thing on the other side. You take necklace number 1 and you hook it to necklace number 2. Now you take them, you turn them around, and are you guys ready for the trick? Look at this. They are attached to each other and you can adjust them just like that, like whatever you want. My mind is completely blown, guys. I freaking love this trick. Has anyone ever known about this? am I the last person in the world to know this? Because my mind is totally blown right now. And I want to show you how it looks with choosing a different necklace. Now this was also a past necklace from Mint Mongoose. So what I want to do is use this because I love this stone. I want to try this trick, but I want to try it with this blue necklace instead of this one right here. So hold on while I switch this around. Okay, so here is the one I got this month. Put that on. Once again, pieces in the front. And then I'm going to take this blue one that I absolutely love, one of my favorite necklaces I've ever got from her. And now we are ready to go. We're going to take this necklace, attach it to that one, and take this necklace and attach it to this one, wherever it went. Okay, now I'm going to turn it all back around to the back. Okay guys, so how fabulous is this trick? Look at this. Now I've made my neck red from playing with it so often, so you probably don't want to do it as often as I did. How fabulous is this? How fabulous that you can adjust this necklace and make it any way you want. You can make it a choker style and then have a longer one, or you can pull this one down a little bit where it's a little bit depending on the shirt you're wearing. I mean, I think this is a fabulous, ingenious idea, and whoever thought of this, kudos to you. Ingenious, mind blown, love this little hack. And I hope you guys have enjoyed the hack too. And if you did, like and share this video with your friends and family because I really think it's a cool hack. Okay guys, well I will see you on my next video.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.